In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Binance safely and securely. So, whether you're updating your contact information or enhancing your security, I've got you covered with this step-by-step guide. Let's jump into it. To begin, head over to the Binance website and log into your account. You'll be greeted by the home page filled with various options, but for this task, our primary focus is reaching the security section. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon. It might be your initials or an avatar, depending on how you've set up your account. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you're going to select the Security option. Now that you've navigated to the Security section, scroll down until you find the Email address section. Adjacent to your current email, you should spot a Change or Edit option. Clicking on this will initiate the process of updating your email address. At this point, Binance might present you with a note or warning message. This alert generally states that after changing your email, withdrawals and peer-to-peer trades could be temporarily disabled. This is a security measure to protect your account, so don't be alarmed. Moving forward, you will need to complete several security verifications. First, check your old, currently registered email address because Binance will send a verification code there. Retrieve this code and enter it into the appropriate field on the website. Next, Binance will send a second verification code to the new email address you wish to use. Access your new email, find the code, and enter it as instructed. Finally, if you have enabled two-factor authentication, commonly known as 2FA, you'll need to complete this step as well. This might involve using tools like Google Authenticator, receiving an SMS code, or another verification method you have set up. Enter the necessary codes for your 2FA method to conclude this portion of the security check. Once you've diligently entered all required codes and completed verifications, go ahead and submit the change by clicking the confirmation option provided. With that, your email address is updated within Binance's system. As a crucial note, be aware that after changing your email, certain functionalities like withdrawals and peer-to-peer transactions may be temporarily restricted. This is typically a preventive security measure lasting around 24 to 48 hours, designed to protect both your funds and personal information. Following these steps ensures a smooth and secure transition to using your new email address. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to Binance support for assistance. Thank you for watching, and stay safe online.